So I've got another cool device in front of me here. It is another wireless mic, kind of like the Comico one that we just reviewed. And, if you guys want to go ahead and check that one out, so you guys can get a little bit of a taste of that versus this mic, you guys can go ahead and check that out right there. Anyways, let's get right into this video. What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon Rapola and welcome back to Michael Mansell's channel. And in today's tech video, we're going to be looking at a mic from MAONO. So this is a wireless microphone system, the WM820 version that they sent us, again from MAONO. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So as we can see here, we have a nice box here from MAONO. So, and if we look on the side right here, we have volume control, 6 hours of battery life on these puppies, built-in mic or laviar mic. So, that essentially means a mic that clips right here, or if you want to use a mic kind of like a presentation mic, whatnot. So, as we look at the phone, So as we look at the microphone system here on the box, just some of the things that it comes with here. We have the transmitter and receiver, the laviar mic, the audio cable for a camera, the audio cable for a phone, 2 USB-C cables, a pouch, and 2 for windshields. Anyways, they come in 2 colors, white and black. We have the black version, as you guys can tell. The operation distance of these bad boys is up to 50 meters, smart connection, so that means it's simple and easy. It's already linked up, and it uses 2.4 gigahertz wireless technology. So I'm going to go ahead and have to bust right into this box here. Not sure. Okay, so it's just a slide out box. Here's the cardboard design, whatever, yada, yada. Anyways, so here we have the device in front of us, just a yellow box here. Same thing as we took the cover off. I'm going to go ahead and open up this bad boy right here. So as you guys can see, here is the lovely device that they sent us from MAONO, the WM820 version. Comes with a user manual, of course, so you know how to use your devices. So they came sideways. I thought it was just, kind of just there, but okay. So looks like this is actually launched into the box here. So you go ahead and just take out the whole thing. We'll set the devices off to the side, get to the fun part later. Let's go over what's inside the box. I think there was something stuck on the, okay, yeah, there was. Anyways, here are our 2 windscreens. Wow, these are like one of the softest windscreens I've ever felt. I know you're not supposed to touch them and get the oils from your fingers and stuff on there as much as possible, but okay, I'm done. It's super soft. Anyways, here is the mic that they sent us, the laviar mic from MAONO. So I'm sure this is their version of their mic. You would just plug this into the system, but yet, stay tuned. We'll go over that in just a second. Give me a few seconds here to explain everything else that's inside this box. So we have the iPhone cable here or Android cable. So that way, this is what you would use for your phone if you're connecting to that to record audio with. And then obviously you have the camera cable here if you're using your DSLR camera or any other kind of function with this device. So of course, silica gel packet, throw it off to the side. We don't care. So here is the pouch that they give us, a small, simple, it's got some felt lining on the inside, so it's not going to scratch or worry about losing your devices or, all your accessories with them. You have a pouch to carry everything in. Nice labeled MAONO case here. So we've gone over everything that's in kind of in that area of the box, set everything off to the side right here, and then we're going to go over what's inside this little part of the box. So as we look here, there's 2 cables that I'm going to push out with my fingers. So there are 2 standard micro USB cables, 2 standard USB-C to USB-A cables. As you guys can see, nothing too special here with those. So if we turn the device and slide it out, that's how we're going to get them out. Okay, so here are the devices themselves. As soon as I bust these open, this really reminds me of the Rode Go Wireless 2 mics that they have. And, it's as the, size factor and whatnot, these, I couldn't compare these more to the Rode Go Wireless 2. They are literally pretty much the same exact housing. Obviously, this is different than Rode Go's, but anyways, so here are the devices themselves. They have, the transmitter and then the receiver. So, they both charge via USB-C 5-volt plugins. Let's go ahead and take a look at this device first. So, this is the device, right, from MAONO, the wireless mic. Simple, nice, elegant design. You have your headphone jack right here to monitor the output, and then you have the output, for the mic, which is what you're going to be using. They have volume control, and if we take a look at the other device here, this one comes with a microphone input on it, so that way you don't have to plug in the LaVR mic if you don't want to. If you just want to just clip this like so right here and then just leave it hang, and then that's your device. Or you can plug in the LaVR microphone that they gave us, right? And then you would plug it in right into this, and then boom, you have your LaVR microphone wireless system. But to go over the rest here, that's just, that's simply all it is. You have your nice lovely clip here, your charging port on this one, the mute mic, and then the sync button. So that way, it syncs the devices together. So this one is the one that you would be connected to your camera or your phone and whatnot. And then this is the one that you would be wearing and using to talk to. So that is just nice. So there's only one thing that we're going to have to do with the device. I'm going to go grab the Comica mic system that they sent us, and then I'm going to go ahead and set this one up so that way you guys can get a little bit of a taste of the comparison of both. So we've got the two wireless mics here. We're going to go over both situations here, but to start off with, we're going to be using the regular microphone that comes on the MAONO device itself. So how to set that up? So we take our phone cable, right? We have our transmitter here, guys. So then we would put this into our output, which would be what we're outputting our wireless transmitted sound to. So I took my phone cable here, and then what I would simply do is take my iPhone that I have over here, and then I'm going to connect this dongle that I have. It's just a simple dongle that I have here laying around the office. It's just a lightning and headphone. If we were to connect this to our device here, our dongle, and then we connect our phone cable to our device here, and then we simply hold this to power it on. So I've held the power button right here, as you guys can see, power button plus and minus sign. This is the transmitter. Remember that. So I held the power button here. We have a blinking sync light. So what we're going to have to do here is turn on our microphone, hold the button here, and looks like they have synced up. And in case they don't sync up here, as you guys can see, there is a sync button on the device right here that you would use. So they are synced up. It is ready to go. It gives you a battery warning for charging, or if it's about to die, this will start blinking just so you guys can know if it's going to die or not. It came out of the box charged, so luckily I didn't have to sit here and wait till it charges. So if I go into my phone here, guys, and I'm going to open up the voice memo app to record some audio for you guys. So I have the microphone. I can't get that to stay. Anyways, so I got the microphone here, right? It's already connected. And if I hit record right here, right? So realistically, I should be able to get the audio from this device. And just to do a little bit of a test here, as you guys can see, just me talking, it carries some voice waves. But if we tap the mic, you guys can see that it comes in very powerful. So that was just a bit of a test just to make sure this is working. So with that being said, I'm going to transition over to this mic right here as if I were using it. So 3, 2, 1, boom. So you guys should now be hearing the audio coming from, let me set this up better for you guys. This is just a little bit of an audio test. It's got nothing compared to my Shure SM7B that you guys have been hearing. But I will be taking the Comica mics that they sent us. And again, you guys can check out that video right here. I'm just going through, the testing levels here. Maybe if my voice is over here and I was talking, maybe if my voice is over here and I'm talking, or if I'm kind of pointed a little bit up, or if I'm pointed a little bit down, or if my head is level and I'm talking. Again, just a bunch of little audio tests here for the mic itself. So what I'm going to have to do now is plug in the Laviar microphone system. So I'm curious to see if it's going to switch right away from the microphone that is on the device itself compared to the Laviar mic. So I've got the mic here. I'm simply going to untangle the cord real quick. And then I'm going to take my transmitter here. Probably going to sound a little weird here, but I'm going to go ahead and just plug in the mic. Instantly, it switches and picks up the microphone. So if I just pin the microphone right here, like so, this is where it would be if I was talking to you guys. Again, this is an example of the Laviar mic system that they gave us compared to the mic system that was actually on the device itself. As you guys can see, I will give you guys another closer look at what we're dealing with here. There's the device. I've plugged it in. We were using this before, but now we're using the Laviar mic system. So that was just a little bit of an example for the microphone system that we have from MAONO, but I want to go into further details and really test this device out compared to a Comica mic. So if you give me 2 seconds here, I'm going to exchange the mics, and then I'm going to switch to the Comica mics just so you guys can get a little bit of a taste. All right, so I have clipped up the Comica mic, as you guys can see right here in the previous video, if you guys checked that out already and came back to here. Anyways, so here you guys can see obviously connected and working. This was a test of the Comica mic, just so you guys can get a real feel for the quality of the MAONO mic. So that was just a little bit of a clip me using the Comica mic, and then I'm going to switch back to the MAONO mic right now. I have the MAONO mic plugged back in. It is just the microphone that is on the system itself. I didn't have the Laviar microphone plugged in. Just I feel like it would be, a really good comparison since the Comica mics can't plug in an external mic. It's just an all-in-one device itself. So I really like this device. It's as simple and easy to set up as the Comica mic. It's just really simple, plug and play, record, and then stop. You can't really get easier than that with these wireless microphone systems. So anyways, guys, I think that's really all I have for this video. Please hurry to smash that like button, subscribe, share the video, help me and Michael out. Anyways, guys, my name is Brandon Rapola, and I am signing off.